Is it parallel?
I think so.
I think it's like a pizza slice. Is it not like a pizza slice? Now, parallel parking means usually parking in between the two cars. So examiner will make you park your car over here and you're going to secure the car, and then examiner will say to you, okay, I would like you to use the park cars front of you there, stop side by side and reverse back within 2 cars length. That's what they will ask you to do, and then you will do by yourself. It's pretty simple. You just need to make sure that once you have been giving instructions, your POM routine, prepare, observations, mirror, signal, blind spot checks, and shouldn't really need to use any speed. Just use your brakes, let the car roll, stop side by side to this car, give about a meter, about door's length. Not too much, but not too close either. A door's length. In case of any emergency, we can able to go out. That's it, good. And once you stop, make your tires straight and very quickly take your car to the reverse gear. That's very important that straight away we go to the reverse gear. Why is that very important?
Because reverse.
Yes, any other reason?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. When we go to the reverse gear, what happens?
Oh, we're gonna reverse.
How do other road users know that we're reversing?
Oh, the lights.
Yes. Because what people tend to do, they stop the car and they're taking their time to go to reverse. What that means, if somebody come behind,
I don't know.
they're going to be right behind us. But now, because the reverse light is on, at least they're going to be more cautious. They're going to hold back. So now you know. Make sense? Any confusion with that? Make sure that your tires have to straight as well, which they are now. Because a lot of people, they don't make the tires straight either. Now this maneuver have got 3 references which we're going to remember. So the first reference is when the side wing mirror pass the middle of this object, then we steer 1 to the left. Shall we do that? Now because we're reversing, what do we do? What do we do before we? Yeah, do that for me please. And we're going to go straight back. And then when you feel that your side wing mirror pass the middle of the object, yeah, and then do 1 to the left. Show me how do you do 1. That's your 1. But keep doing your observation every how many seconds? To 10 seconds. That's your first reference. And I will give you the second reference, okay? So keep going slowly and I will tell you when to stop. So keep going, keep doing blind spot check. And about here, stop for me please. Your second reference, because I have got a camera in my car.
Can't relate.
So when you're doing your observation, you can glance on your camera as well. You see the corner of that green line, you have got a very small triangle or pyramid, whatever you want to call it. A very small, not too much. Once you get that, we stop our car and we do 2 to the right. So let's do 2 to the right. So let's do 1 first. By doing 1, your tires from the left are now gone straight. And now 1 more to the right. So now the tires are facing on your right. That is the second reference point. Do your blind spot checks again. And we're going to start. That's your second reference point. And then start doing the observation. This work is now finished. Good. Okay, just keep doing your, this work is done. And the third reference, when you feel that your car become parallel with that small mirror, but don't just keep looking on that. Remember, keep doing your observation. So when you feel you become parallel, we're going to stop the car. Is it parallel?
I think so.
I think it's like a pizza slice. Is it not like a pizza slice? We need a parallel. Parallel to be should be like a bit more. Is that a parallel now, you think? Yes. And now what we're going to do with the steering, because the tires are still facing where? So what do we do? 1 to the left. Yeah. That's it. Do your observation and reverse back enough so it's easier for you to go. There you go. Is it better? And now secure the car. Any problem, any confusions? Let me quickly talk about the plan B. If you feel that you went too much over the curb and you start reversing, and you feel that your back tire is about to hit the curb, would you gonna let it hit the curb or not? No. Then what could you do?
Drive out.
Yeah, you go forward a little bit again and come back again. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. However, there's one more way. What if you reverse and you're a bit too much out? Then we have to come back over here. That is something I will demonstrate you, so you will understand how it works. So, however, we've got a big gap over here. So make your wheel straight first, and then, which is straight now, and then we do quarter. So do quarter to the left. That's it. Do your observations again, and we're going to start reversing about like that. And this is the plan B. Keep going like that. Keep doing your blind spot. Once you feel you close enough, bit more, about there, and now the car swing out, so we do quarter to the, that's it. So that's enough, and that should start reversing, and that should bring it this way. Does it make sense? Keep doing your observations, is very important. And once you become parallel, that's it, and make your tire straight, and there you go, and then secure the car. That's your plan B. Finger crossed, we don't really need to use a plan B if you execute it properly.